Time for some massive self-torture. So I got a picture from a friend who showed me a mechanical keyboard which is apparently sold by Action, and just in case this video is also shown to people outside the Benelux or Europe, I'm not sure where all the Action stores are. Well, Action is like a shop for really cheap stuff, like really cheap. Mostly it's more reliable to buy, I don't know, glass jars, stuff that you can fuck up. But something that's really easy to fuck up, I guess, is a mechanical keyboard, and they made one. So I'm going to see how it is compared to what I have. And well, as you can see, in front of me I have a plank with seal switches in it. So yeah, and I got another keyboard which is the TX84 SE with black inks. So yeah, that's quite a difference. So let's see. Yeah, they also have the claim things here that I'm also scratching my head at, like red cord. Okay, I guess it's good to state that. Then it shows that it's QWERTY, and for some reason they use the icon of a big ass enter. It is ANSI, by the way, and if you buy this in Belgium, a friend of mine tipped it. And there it's only available in Azerty with, yeah. Of course they also have to claim anti-ghosting and such. There's 6 color LED backlights, so yeah, RGB. Has 7 modes through which it switches. And the switches are claimed to have 50 million hits in lifespan, and million is spelled with 1 L instead of 2. Well, it's also in Dutch on it, which does seem to use proper spelling. But yeah, I'm not sure what we're going to find underneath here. So let's open it up. Taped shut, so yeah, in the store you cannot take a peek at it. So, but oh yeah, important. I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier. It's only like 27 euros and 95 cents, which off the top of my head I think it's I don't know, somewhere in the ballpark of $35. So yeah. Go. More tape. Come on. Maybe it's glued shut. What? It seems to be glued. Or what the hell? What the hell, man? What is this box? My god. Ow. Come on. I really don't want a paper cut. Oh, here it goes. So it has a little tape, and then apparently it's for nothing because it's completely glued shut. Alright, well, red cable turns out to be red and black striped. For some reason it does have a ferrite thingy. Package is pretty good. Oh lordy, it comes with a switch puller. Just one of those simple plasticky ones. Tiny manual. Let's get this out of the way. Smells brand new. Oh, I am surprised actually that, well, I guess you can't make that plate out of plastic, not sure. But it does seem to have steel plate. Ugh. Yeah, it's clicky. Stabilizers are of course record-breaking terrible. The switches seem to have a lot of rattle too. Well, I suppose you can't really complain if it's only like for not even 30 euros. I mean, that I bought it with the idea like that I couldn't expect anything from it and that it would be completely wasted. But you know, let's actually look under a switch. Where's my keyboard cooler? One moment. Oh, here it is. It's a bit of a mess on my table. It's a B-Sun switch. It's a bit box-like. Let's see, as you can see. So yeah. It seems to use, from what I can see, of course, plate mounted stabilizers. That sits tight. Oh, come on. Not sure, it sits. Ah, there we go. Needs a bit of force. Oh, it's actually. Yeah, the stabilizers themselves are even rattling in their sockets. Kind of wonder what would happen if I threw some GMK plate steps in there. In order to do that, I would have to take it apart and desolder it. From the looks of it, the screws are in the plate, so you would need to take all the switches off in order to take it apart. Cable is of course not detachable. Has flip-out feet, not rubberized. Didn't really expect it would be. And yeah, I would hook it up to my computer, but even though this is from a fairly respectable, I can talk today, respectable store in the Netherlands. There have been ultra cheap keyboards in the past that did have apparently have a keylogger in their firmware. So honestly, don't want to just hook it up to my computer just in case. I'm not 100% sure, but you know, it's not worth 30 euros to mess up my PC and needing to reinstall it all over again should something happen. I guess I could hook it up to my phone. I mean, they probably don't count on it being used with Android. Switches are rattly as fuck, but oh, oh dear. Yeah, this one barely clicks at all. Yeah, it's it's absolute crap, but it is mechanical, so I guess if you're really like maximum not picky. Alright, thank you for watching.